As the first light of sunrise stretches across the horizon, birds take to the sky, their wings gliding effortlessly through the tranquil morning air. Their graceful movements evoke a sense of freedom, untouched by the worries of the world below. The gentle presence of these birds brings a quiet serenity, filling the landscape with peace. In their flight, there is an unspoken promise of new beginnings, inspiring hope and optimism for the day ahead. Wild animals move with a quiet strength that speaks to their deep connection with the world around them. Each step they take is deliberate, echoing ancient instincts honed over generations. Their movements tell stories of survival, adaptation, and harmony with nature. Observing these creatures reveals a wisdom that transcends words, rooted in the rhythms of the earth. Through their presence, we glimpse the enduring legacy of life in the wild. Mountains rise with an undeniable presence, their peaks stretching toward the sky as symbols of timeless strength. As the first light of dawn touches their slopes, shadows and colors shift, revealing the intricate contours carved by centuries of wind and weather. The visual echoes of their forms remind us of nature's enduring resilience, standing firm through changing seasons and fleeting moments. Witnessing a sunrise over these giants offers a new perspective, inviting reflection on both the grandeur of the landscape and the quiet power it holds. In their silent majesty, mountains inspire awe and a deeper appreciation for the enduring forces that shape our world. Flowers blooming embody a gentle beauty that quietly transforms the landscape. Their delicate petals and vibrant colors evoke emotions of peace and renewal, offering a subtle yet profound sense of healing. Nature's poetry is woven into each blossom, reminding us that even the softest presence can leave a lasting impression. As seasons change, the enduring impact of flowers continues, enriching our lives with their silent grace and resilience. Birds soar gracefully above lush forests, their songs echoing across the landscape. Animals roam freely, each movement a testament to the harmony of the wild. Towering mountains stand as silent guardians, while vibrant flowers bloom in the valleys below, painting the earth with color. Together, these elements form a tapestry of life, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains our world. By cherishing and protecting nature, we nurture not only the planet, but also our own sense of wonder and connection. As we come to the end of this tranquil experience, take a moment to appreciate the calm and clarity that nature brings. Let this peaceful feeling stay with you throughout your day. If you enjoyed this gentle escape, consider joining us again to continue your journey with nature therapy. Subscribe to stay connected and nurture your well-being with each soothing session. Your path to relaxation is just beginning.